Hi, Allen Randolph, Senior Vice President of Customer Solutions at Kyvac. And I'm inviting you to join myself and Doug Hall on Monday, April 20th at the Connex National Conference in Orlando for an introduction to proactive problem solving and innovation engineering. From 1:15 to 3:15, Doug Hall and Doug's written 8 books. I have 2 of them here, Proactive Problem Solving and Driving Eureka, Data-Driven Methods to Solving Problems. Doug is the leading authority on systems improvement, and we'll be talking about 3 big topics. First, employee engagement, how to get your employees involved in solving problems. They know the problems best, but we need to empower them to be part of the solution. Second thing is we'll be talking about human systems. All of Doug's work is based on the work of Dr. Edwards Deming. And Deming said, when you're not getting the outcome you want, 94% of the problem is the system and only 6% is the human. So we need to focus on fixing systems that involve humans. And then the third basket is a process for visualizing systems and then fixing systems. You know, the studies show that managers waste, on average, 3.5 hours a day, every day, because of broken systems that they interface with. So we're going to show you how to identify those problems, how to fix those problems. This class is part of the National Conference curriculum, but what will come after it is the ability to actually get a certification, a white belt certification in innovation engineering. And those certifications will be awarded at a gala at the mid-year conference. So that will be virtually online at your pace between national and mid-year. Please join us. This is an unbelievable opportunity that Connex is bringing to you. Look forward to seeing you there.